How do I disable log messages from the requests library? By default, the request Python library writes log messages to the console, along the lines of, "I'm usually not interested in these messages, and would like to disable them." What would be the best way to silence those messages or decrease requests verbosity?
I found out how to configure requests' logging level. It's done via the standard logging module. I decided to configure it to not log messages unless they are at least warnings. If you wish to apply this setting for the erlib3 library, typically used by requests, 2, add the following.
In case you came here looking for a way to modify logging of any, possibly deeply nested, module, use logging.logger.manager.loggerdict to get a dictionary of all of the logger objects. The returned names can then be used as the argument to logging.getLogger. Per user 136036 in a comment, be aware that this method only shows you the loggers that exist at the time you run the above snippet. If, for example, a module creates a new logger when you instantiate a class, then you must put this snippet after creating the class in order to print its name.
In this way, all the messages of level equals info from erlib3 won't be present in the log file. So you can continue to use the level equals info for your log messages, just modify this for the library you are using.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.